I could not be happier. I'm really, really very, very thrilled with the way it turned out. Much better than I ever expected.
Thank you for tuning in to a restoration giveaway presented by the Harp Gallery. We are an antique and vintage furniture business located in Kaukauna, Wisconsin, and this week we will be restoring an antique game table with a felt-lined playing surface.
This was your grandfather's, right?
Yeah, it was my grandfather's, yes.
This is the only thing she has from her grandfather. Father-in-law was in the army, and they made many, many moves, and Chris has had it in the basement, and that's all she's talked about was getting it refinished. So it was just absolutely perfect for what you guys did for us.
Once we got this table in, the first thing we did was disassemble it and look for loose joints. The original felt was tattered and worn, and after realizing we would have to replace it, we took it all off. The top had significant veneer damage, and the inlay was coming up and there were a lot of loose spots, so we repaired all of that. Actually, one of these pieces is brand new, and we used some new veneer to patch that. That's the magic of our finishing department, is to blend colors, so they did an excellent job on that. After carpentry, it went in to get stripped and sanded in the prep department, then it went on to finish.
My name is Jared. I sprayed the game table with cherry English stain, and then a coat of shellac and 3 coats of water-based finish for a durable top.
And in order to disassemble the table, we had to remove these hinges, which are under the felt.
My name is Eric, a restoration tech here at the Harp Gallery, to show you some of the features and some of the things I did to your flip-top game table. When it came in, it only had one of these latches. So this one's brand new. We had reproduced it based on the other one. So now it works like it's supposed to. You can shut it. Yep. Latches, doesn't go in or out, and you can also open it from the other side. So another thing I did for you is we put a brand new high quality wool pool table felt on your gaming surface. So it's custom cut and fit to the top.
When it came back, it was better than I ever thought it would come back. I mean, it really is a beautiful, beautiful table now, and it's going to go to my daughter and son-in-law who live in Rome, Georgia. Be another generation that'll have the table and be able to enjoy it. And now they really will be able to enjoy it, considering the condition it was in, but when you folks took it over. I could not be happier. I'm really, really very, very thrilled with the way it turned out. Much better than I ever expected. It looked like a brand new table.
Thank you for tuning in to our restoration giveaway. Here at the Harp Gallery, we restore 100 unique vintage and antique items every single week. Find photos, descriptions, and much more on our website at harpgallery.com.